You're about to learn the quickest and easiest way to pay off student loan debts, expand your choices and options, and get back to enjoying your life. Hi, my name is Chris Lawson with Financial Evolution Group, and for nearly 2 decades I've been helping individuals and families to make good decisions with respect to their money. And over this time span, I've seen a disturbing trend develop where more and more people are feeling trapped by overwhelming amounts of student loan debts. In fact, did you know that today there are nearly 37 million Americans who owe almost $1 trillion in student loan debt? And an even more disturbing fact is that nearly 1/3 of those individuals are over the age of 40. Well, listen, I know what it's like to further your education later on in life and to take out student loans to do it. And I also know that there are millions of others out there who are currently struggling with student loan debts, and they're struggling with the same issues that you may have. Like, you've been paying on your student loans for years and years and it seems like the balances haven't gone down at all, or you feel like you can't do other things because the student loan debt is taking up so much of your resources that everything you have is going towards paying off the student loans. Or you're afraid that you'll never be able to buy a house or a new car or send your kids to college or retire because of these loans. Or you worry because the financial stress that these student loans are putting on you is affecting your marriage. Or if you're single, you're worried that the student loan debt is almost like an anti-dowry and other people aren't going to want to marry you because you've got so much student loan debt that you're dealing with. Or sometimes you just want to get a breath of fresh air from the feeling that you're just barely treading water with all this student loan debt that you're carrying and you're just waiting for that next wave to hit. Well, I know how hard it is to live with student loan debt. And contrary to what you hear in the news, you're not a deadbeat because you made the decision to improve your life by seeking a higher education that you couldn't pay cash for. But if you fully grasp what I'm about to tell you, it will change your life forever. You need to feel good today. You need to feel empowered, you need to have choices and options, and you need to feel like you're in control and enjoying your life today, right now, not in 10 years or 25 years or 30 years when the debt is paid off. What I've discovered over the years is that money isn't as much about math as it is about emotion. And if you're living your life with this gnawing lump of anxiety in the pit of your stomach because of your student loans, you're not really living. So that's why it's my mission to give you back your quality of life. So right now, what I'd like to do is I'd like to send you a free report and 1 tip a day for 10 days. These tips are short, they're easy to follow, and they're step-by-step real-world solutions to the top problems and frustrations of actual clients who were buried in student loan debt. And the report is a detailed guidebook on how to avoid the 3 biggest mistakes that most people make when they're trying to pay off their student loan debts. Together, the free report and the video tips will help you take control of your student loan debt today and get back to enjoying your life, free from the constant worry of your student loans. So enter your name, your email address below, and I'll send you my special report and 1 tip per day for 10 days. They'll open your eyes to a new way to handle your student loan debts. They're simple to do. They'll dramatically accelerate the time that it takes for you to pay off your debts, and they'll also save you thousands of dollars in interest payments, and it'll expand your choices and options immediately from the very first day. So go ahead and enter your information below, and I'll see you on the other side.